Hey friends, if you wish to know where icons are stored in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So the first command is for the main directory. Press the Windows key and the R key together and paste it. And the second command is the exact DLL file where the icons are stored. It is imageres.dll. So just search for it in System32. And this is the file imageres.dll. But can you use it? The answer is for a normal person you cannot. So this is just for your information. Basically, you cannot access the icons as such. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.